My name is Pallavi. I am from Kolhapur. I completed my bachelor's degree in computer science. After graduation, I joined 45-day job internship at Evision Technolab. During this internship, I learned different IT modules such as ITIL, CCNA, Windows administration, also Windows server and computer network. All the modules were explained very clearly and I gained a proper practical knowledge. All the trainers were explained the things very clearly and they support to understand me the concept step by step. Also the HR team is very clear, very supportive and guided me throughout the process. Because of their support and training, now I am placed at Impact Infotech with 3 LPA package. I am thankful to Evision to helping me to get a job and start my career in IT field. Thank you.